Now subgraph means what? The part of the any graph is called as a subgraph. It is just like a set and subset. मतलब जैसे कि set and subset होता है, it is just like that. There will be a graph and subgraph is there. I'll tell you one example of the subgraph, then you will understand it here. Suppose there will be a one graph like that. Now this is the graph, something like that. Suppose this is, I'll say it is A, B, C, D and E, and the edges are, I'll say it is E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. So this is the graph G. Okay, and then I'll draw the another part of this same graph. इसी ग्राफ का मैं एक पार्ट ड्रॉ करता हूँ. Which part? I'll just take the few vertices of this graph and few edges of this graph. मतलब सेम ग्राफ का मैंने कुछ vertices और कुछ edges कंसिडर किए. Suppose I'll consider here, sorry, this is not B, C and D. E, okay. This one is E. मतलब क्या किया मैंने? I'll take this vertex. ये एक वर्टेक्स मैंने लिया A, B वर्टेक्स एक लिया, C वर्टेक्स एक लिया एंड E वर्टेक्स एक लिया यहाँ पे अलग से. I'll take these four vertices. Okay, and then I'll draw the edges between them. That means there is an edge E1 which is between the vertex A to B, then edge E2 between A to E, the edge E3 between E to C, and then edge E4 between B to C. Means what happened? I'll take some number of vertices and some number of edges of this given graph G. मतलब ग्राफ G में vertex set क्या है अपना? Vertex set is A, B, C, D and E. This is the vertex set of the graph V. Vertex set of the graph G. And what is the edge set? Edge set is equal to E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6 and E7. 7 number of edges are there of this graph. And I'll say that H is the another graph whose vertex set is equal to what? A, B, C and D. Vertex set क्या है? A, B, C and D. And edge set क्या है? I'll say it is a E1, E2, E3 and E4 only. Correct? So if you have to observe this, the vertex set, I'll say it is a V dash. Vertex set V dash and edge set E dash. So this vertex set V dash is a subset of the vertex set V. Similarly, edge set E dash is a subset of the edge set E. मतलब there are the some part of the vertices and some part of the edges. I'll draw it separately here. So this graph is called as a subgraph of the graph G. Means the graph H is the subgraph of the graph G. Is that clear? So likewise, you can draw the number of subgraphs of the one graph. मतलब एक ही ग्राफ के आप number of subgraphs draw कर सकते हो. You can draw it number of subgraphs of the any graph. So ये एक subgraph हुआ. So H is the one subgraph of the graph G. So likewise, I'll draw the one more subgraph. Suppose I'll take the some vertices here, E, C and D. Means I'll take this triangle separately and their edges E3, E7 and E6. So I'll say it is I'll say this is H1 and this is the another subgraph H2. So H2 is also part of this graph G. So H2 is also subgraph of G. H1 is also subgraph of G. So again you can take some another graph. Suppose if I'll take it here like this, A, then B and then C. So this A, B, C, and then E, and I'll take this edges also. So this E2 is there, E1 is there, E4 is there, E5 is also there. So I'll say it is a H3. So H3 is also subgraph of this graph G. So like that you can draw the number of subgraphs of the any graph. किसी भी ग्राफ के आप कितने भी सारे सबग्राफ्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप कितने वर्टासेस ले रहे हो या फिर सिर्फ इतने ही वर्टासेस लेने, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. सपोज इफ आई टेक हियर द वर्टेक्स D only here. Okay, so this is also subgraph of this graph G.
Okay, sir.
D is also the vertex. Okay, suppose if I'll take the E and C and their edge E3, this is also subgraph. Okay, ये भी एक सबग्राफ हुआ. समझ में आया? So ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं कि इतने ही वर्टेक्स लेने चाहिए, इतने ही एजेस लेने चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ जरूरी नहीं है. You can take a single vertex or you can take all the vertices or all the edges or whatever you want you can take. But that should be the part of the original graph. वो original graph का एक part होना चाहिए. ठीक है? So that is called as a subgraph. So like that we can draw the number of subgraphs of the any graph. हर एक ग्राफ के हम कितने भी सबग्राफ्स हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं.